So, my dear friends, I want to talk to you something which was really, really a comedy. It was something comic. Sometime we think that this is reality, but that is basically our perception. So, when we perceive things, we get our sense data. We have our 5 or 11 senses, and what we get from outside, like from external environment, we take it to our mind, and then it becomes concept. It becomes conception. So we sometimes, it's a famous saying that perception is larger than reality, or perception is bigger than reality. We must go to reality. It was something like, apparently, it was something like pornography or sexuality or something like related to sex. But when you touch that picture, so it is just human eye. So what I wanted to give a message, because I sent that picture to some of my friends in Facebook Messenger. I sent a picture, and the picture was apparently something like obscene, or it was against ethics and morality. And the people will be thinking, "Oh, what happened to Naeem Khan? They are sending me such stuff." But that was just a lesson. You click that, and once you click that picture, so it is just a person is rubbing human eye, and that is not some other kind of stuff that we initially started to think. So that's why we must go to reality. Now, this is a philosophical discussion. What is reality? For Plato, idea is reality. What we have, the concept, this concept is reality. But for Aristotle, the matter is reality. And we, our perceptions, when we get perceptions from outside, then we take it to our mind, then we make our concepts. So this mixture of both mind and reality, outside matter, that is the real reality. Philosophy is the search of ultimate reality through rational methods. When we go through reason, when we use our mind. Now, how we use our mind, there are two theories: rationalism and empiricism. Rationalism is that you are just thinking, thinking, and thinking. And empiricism is that you do experiment also. So from this branch of philosophy, empiricism, then we got science, because science believes in the external world and outside the matter that we see. But if now you see in the modern physics, matter, if we go to the quarks and we go to the gluons and we go to the subatomic particles, in especially in quantum physics, so what we see in a small euglena, or in a table, or for example in something which is not so significant, and the same atomic structure we see in galaxy, and we see in other galactic material, what we see in celestial bodies. So this is the same atomic structure, and those atomic structures like proton, neutrons, or electrons. Electron is basically a charge, and proton and neutron also, they don't have that much mass. And then Einstein famous theory of E is equal to mc square. Then matter and energy become almost equal. So this is new discussions that we are having now in science. So that was one of my message, that we should not take people for granted. We should not take things for granted. We should go and dig out what is reality. Don't be scared to touch something which apparently is bad, but inside that may be something innocent. That may not be something like something dangerous, or something which is. So I just want to clarify that that was an exercise to understand this famous saying, that perception is larger than reality. Sometime, for example, in Pashto, we have a proverb, چې رښتیا راتلو نو دروغو کلی وران کړو. It means that when the truth would come, so lie will destroy the villages, because the people, they don't wait for reality. They just jump to the conclusions, and they draw their own conclusions, and they say, no, this is bad, this is like that. So just I want that profound, that depth, that you must go in details of things. Don't just take it like superficially. So this surface is always misleading. Go to depth, go to reality, because gold that is inside, that is not on the surface. Don't take things for granted. Try to go in details. That is so much important. And for this thing, I will deliver in detail another lecture, which is our comfort zone, that we should get out of our comfort zone. We should challenge things, challenging personalities. Okay, click it, click this picture which I sent in Facebook Messenger. Click it, what you get outside. Don't take it. Some of my friends, they told me that were the female friends, they will think about it, because this is something, kind of you may lose your respect. But I'm trying to train you people in a way which is totally iconoclastic, that is totally like postmodernist, and then you challenge everything, you click, you experience things, because this is experiential learning, not just your conclusions. This is the problem of emotional people, that when they are not stoics, when they don't have strong control on their emotions, so when they see something and apparently that thing is not good, so they just reject it, or they accept it, but apparently that thing is good. No, that is a very, very wrong approach. We must see the things, we must experience the thing, we must click it. Let's see the suspense, or that curiosity that we have. Although curiosity killed the cat, so this is because of the comfort zone, that we don't want to get out of our comfort zone. Challenging things, we must do something extraordinary. If we are ordinary people, so we will go for ordinary things. And if we are extraordinary, if we want to do something which is beyond the normal approach, then we will have to do such things. So just this was a kind of clarification. Although I believe in your judgment, that your judgment that will be not on perception then larger than reality, your judgment that will be on reality, not on perception, although perception is important. Perception and concept, these are the two important things that Plato and Aristotle, they have discussed in detail, that what is more important, perception or concept. But Aristotle then combines both, that form and matter. What we see apparently are the matter, and that is the form, and the matter, which is the reality. Both are important. When we combine form and matter, then we reach to reality. So I hope you understand my message. That was not to have a kind of intrusion in your privacy or something obscene from my side. That was just to train you that don't take things for granted. Okay, click it, experience it, that message, that picture. And when you experience it, then you will say, oh, I was thinking that it is something like obscene, but that is just the person is rubbing human eye. That is not. So come out of your comfort zone, please. Don't take things as it is. Come out, challenge yourself, challenge your environment, challenge your bodies, your mind, and your soul, and do things which is extraordinary. This is coming out of the comfort zone. And once you are out of your comfort zone, then everything will be your comfort zone. Whatever you do, if you are going to mountains, if you are going to deserts, if you are going to snow, if you are doing something very difficult, that difficult thing will become your habit, because habit formation, that is the key to stepping out of your comfort zone. I will discuss in detail this concept of stepping out of comfort zone, but today it was in the context of that picture that I sent in Facebook Messenger to some of my friends, and just to see their reaction, how they react to the perception, and how whether they go to reality, or they just see something and then they form an opinion and then they draw their conclusion. So that was a personality test for you people. Thank you.